And now I'm just going to give you a short tutorial on tapping. I know you called it EFT.
Oh yeah.
Right? And I know, and there is Nick Ortner, and his brother and sister have a site on Facebook and YouTube and all of that. And I highly recommend them if you are wanting to learn and work with meditations that they have. And they're absolutely wonderful people, and I would highly suggest that. But what I do for me when I am needing to come to center and to balance and to clean something up, I will start the tapping, okay? And the tapping has basically, it's about taking your fingers and tapping certain meridian points on your face and just helping yourself to de-stress, come into balance, come into meditation. And the Ortners have a ton of wonderful meditations to use tapping with: losing weight, de-stressing, confusion, frustration, panic, anger. So I highly recommend this little tool. And so what I'm going to do is take my glasses off.
Oh, there she is.
By the way, everybody, I got new glasses this week.
Whee!
Yeah, and I absolutely love them. I've needed new glasses for 7 years, and I finally got them. Hallelujah. And they only cost me $40. You know, isn't that's another gift? Yeah. Okay, so what I would like to work with is just peace, love, balance. And I'm drawing peace, love, and balance to my life, my being. Here we do the corner of the eyebrow. I am drawing everything that is good for me. Then we do the corner of the eye. I am happy. I am blessed. I am healthy. Then we do underneath the eye. I am so grateful for all the good in my life. Then we go under the nose, right here, the bridge of the nose, and I am having a very beautiful day. Under the chin, I eat healthy food. All the food that I ingest helps my body be in balance. I'm going to put my little guy down. Archie. And then I do over here, like underneath your armpit where your bra line would be or whatever, tapping there. And I am in harmony with all that is good for me. Then where your collarbone is, my life is perfect today, now, and in every way. Then I do over my breast, which happens to have been my breast that I had cancer in. I am healthy, whole, and complete. Then I do it here, underneath bra line, underneath the armpit. My world is beautiful, harmonious, abundant, and pleasant today, now. And then once again to the top of my head. Everything that I need to be in balance comes to me at a price that I can easily afford. So those are the points to tap into. Okay, so corner of the eyebrow, corner of the eye, underneath your eye, bridge of the nose, or right under the nose, chin, okay, then armpit, then collarbone. Then I do this just because it seems a good thing for me to do. Then underneath armpit on this side, and then top of the head. Do not concern yourself with doing it correctly and saying all the right things, etc., etc. Do start with the eyebrow, the inner eyebrow. Start there. And then move to those different points. And say positive, uplifting things for yourself. And I would do that 3 to 5 times. And that is just a good moving meditation.
And would it be like 3 to 5 cycles? So saying positive things and then just running through the cycle 3 to 5 times?
Absolutely. Absolutely. And that is basically called tapping. Okay? And I probably make it really simple. but that works for me.